let's grow some fava bean. So this is a new seed I'll be trying. It's a smaller bean than what I had done before that did not work out too good for me. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it this time around. So I have 400 grams of seed weighed out here, which is the same amount I would use for peas. Seems like a lot. It's pretty close to the whole pound, but that's what we're going to go with. I'm going to start off with 2 scoops of my Tony the Tiger bowl. Yes, Mark, I'm saving the tiger. For now. So put the 2 scoops all on. Spread it around pretty evenly. Now I'm going to take and water this in pretty heavily. Just going to use my faucet over here. That should be enough water to get started. And I'm going to spread the seed out evenly. Just going to kind of move them around a little. Try to make it so that they're not stacked on top of each other. Time for one more scoop of soil. And I'm going to just spread that over the seed pretty evenly. This will be about 1/4 inch or less, probably a bit less than 1/4 inch. So just spread that out over the seeds. They don't have to be perfectly covered, but you want a little bit of soil on most of the seeds if you can. Time to water it again. I won't water quite as heavy this time because I've already watered it once. So just kind of get the top of the soil nice and wet. So that's basically step 1. From here, I'm going to put another tray of something else on top of it to weigh it down. And then probably another tray on top of that. So this will be under 2 other trays of microgreens I'll be planting. And stick around, I'll be showing you what this looks like when I uncover it. After about 3.5 days, the fava bean has mostly all sprouted and has been unstacked. So far, I'm really liking this fava bean a lot better than the big seeds. So these are the small seeds. And these are looking pretty good. Looks like I got the density just about right on this. We'll see how they keep going. After about 9 days, the fava bean is getting pretty close to being done. I would say another day or 2 when I could start harvesting. Now, one thing, if I would have soaked the beans for 3 to 4 hours, then they might actually be ready to harvest right now. But because I skipped that step, I've got some that are not quite tall enough yet. So some are lagging behind a little bit. So it would probably be a good idea to soak them next time. But anyways, I like this bean a lot more than the other stuff I had before, the much bigger fava bean. So I think I'm going to conclude the video with this and just say, you know, I might even harvest some of this tomorrow morning and see. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. You know, click the little bell so you get notifications. And comment, and I will comment back. Thanks for watching.